Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean your dust compartment of your Tesvor S6 Turbo Smart Robot Vacuum robotic device. It's really awesome because it's so easy. Let's show you. The first act is we have to switch the device on the switch off. It is position O. And now the energy is off switched. That means the device is not operating anymore. Because now we are going to clean the box. The first step we have to remove. We have to take out the dust box. It's really easy. We are pushing a little bit and pull it out. Position. There it is. Now, we are going to clean up all dirt and dust in the box. For this, we can easily lift up the entire dust compartment cover. For this, we are lifted up and then we are now dipping all of the dust out of the box. It's really easy, as you can see. This is how to perform a little short cleaning of your dust compartment. Of course, you should make once a month the cleaning of the filter and the box too. But this is I think, every week you have to perform this, removing easily. After this, attach it back and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.
Bereinigung hat begonnen. Neue Positionierung. Positionierung erfolgreich. Bereinigung beginnt. Ankunft Ladestation. Aufladen hat begonnen. Aufladung.